Hey, if you've been waiting for the right moment to start, this is for you. Hi, I'm Zarifa, and I have been exactly at the moment where you are right now. Like, head full of ideas, heart full of dreams, but frozen because of fear. I still remember making my first reel, and I didn't post it. I kept it in my phone for days, rewatching it, convincing myself that this is not good enough, my voice is shaky, the lighting is bad, my editing is not perfect. Then finally, I posted. Anyone barely saw it, but I kept going. And today, there are more than 2,700 people who followed my journey. That didn't happen because I waited for the perfect time to happen. I started it. I started messy. I started it scared. I started with bad lighting. I started with shaky voice, completely full of flaws. But I started it and I kept going. We all tell ourselves that, oh, I'll start when I'll be more confident, when I'll have more clarity, when I have more support, when I think the timing is right. So, no, confidence doesn't appear before you start. It grows while you're moving. And clarity doesn't come when you're standing still. It comes when you're moving, right? If you need support, you have to do something for that support. If you need clarity and confidence, you have to step into it and get the clarity and confidence. And the first step will always feel messy, always feel awkward, and sometimes embarrassing too. But that's normal. Every single person you admire was once at the edge of something new, feeling exactly what you are. They weren't born fearless. They just started anyways. They allowed themselves to be the beginners. You do not need a big reveal or, a big perfection. No, you just need that one small step. Post that reel, record that podcast, send that email which you're waiting since long time to send. Just send it. Move along with your goals. Create that magic. And magic will not gonna create itself. You're the one who have to create it. And if you're feeling fear, take it as a sign that it matters to you. Let fear walk beside you. Acknowledge it, but don't let it drive your decision. You do not have to be fearless to start. You just have to start by feeling the fear. Period. So this is your push. This is your sign that stop waiting for the perfect timing. Stop waiting to be fearless. Just start before you're ready. Everything else, the confidence, the growth, the clarity, the opportunity is all set on the other side of this shaky step. And when you finally take that step, you look back and realize that you do not needed anyone's permission all along, just your own. And if you're hearing this right now, take that as a cue to finally start. Go ahead. Have a nice day.